Hey everyone, and in today's video, let's take a look at Mount adapter bundle for your Insta360 Go 2. So even though Insta Go 2 comes already with quite a lot of accessories when you first purchase your camera, you may quickly realize that there is simply so much more that you would like to do with it. For example, you would like to mount it on a tripod, on a selfie stick, simply you would like to do more with it. And I honestly think this is where the Mount adapter bundle comes into play, because simply there is so much more you can do with this camera with it. Okay, so let's quickly take a look what's inside of the package. Okay, so this is how it looks like from the inside, so let me quickly show you what we have in here. So inside of the package we can find a magnetic screw mount, and this accessory is really useful because at the bottom of it we have a 1/4 inch tripod adapter. So we can use this accessory with a selfie stick to capture a photo, like a selfie, record yourself, but also it can be used with a tripod to record a time lapse. Also, if you take a closer look at the bottom of it, you'll notice that there is this ball head. So you can rotate with your camera either to a horizontal orientation if you want to, or you can record in a portrait orientation, or simply adjust your horizon leveling with it. So it's pretty useful. We can also find a magnetic prong mount that at the bottom has a standard traditional GoPro mount. So you can use your Insta360 Go 2 with any accessories designed for other action cameras. And what's cool about magnetic prong mount is that even if your camera is securely mounted on one of your accessories with the screw, you can still quickly take it out of the frame if you need to. And because of that, you can quickly change between other accessories that have exactly the same magnetic surface, such as, for example, the pivot or the easy clip. So it basically saves you a lot of time if you want to swap between other accessories, because you don't have to deal with the screws every single time you want to change the mount. And just to be certain that your camera is not going to fall out accidentally while doing some kind of activity, you can use a rubber band around the whole frame, so your camera is not going to fall out. And we can also find action mount adapter. So this thing gonna be perfect for you if you want to take your Insta360 Go 2 to the extremes, when there's gonna be a lot of shakes and other vibrations going on. Now, when I mount my Insta Go 2 inside of it, notice that at the back there are no magnets that gonna hold this camera in place. And this is where exactly these two little fingers come into play. Because when you mount it on a traditional GoPro mount such as this, and use a thumb screw, your Insta360 Go 2 gonna be simply tightened around the frame. So it's not gonna fall off while doing some extreme sport activities. So as you probably noticed by now, both of these mounts have this traditional GoPro mount at the bottom of it. So what's the difference between them? So it's a very simple one. Action mount adapter is simply designed for high intensity activities when there is simply a lot of shakes, vibrations, and your camera is simply surrounded with a frame. And as soon as you put a screw inside of it, you simply tighten it around your camera. Whereas magnetic prong mount is simply not designed for action, because the only thing that holds your camera in place is that the magnets that are at the back of it. You can quickly put this camera inside of it and take it out, so it's quite convenient, but once again, This mount is not designed for high intensity activities because it can accidentally fall off. We can also find two curved and flat adhesive mounts. So what can you do with those and where can you apply them? So the curved adhesive mount gonna be perfect for any surface that's simply not straight. So if you take a closer look at this helmet, you can notice that I can simply mount it on the front of my helmet, on the side of it, or at the top of it. And this mount gonna hold in place. Just remember that before you place your curved or adhesive mounts to any surface, make sure that you clean it and dry it before you do so. Once you do that, you have to wait for around 24 hours before you can mount your camera to it because you need to wait for a firm placement. And a flat adhesive mount can be used, as the name suggests, on any flat surface, such as for example a skateboard. Just once again, before applying it to a flat surface, make sure that you clean and dry it before doing so, otherwise this mount can simply fall off. Just remember that these sticky adhesives are not reusable and shouldn't be used for the second time because you're simply gonna risk that it's gonna fall off and as a result you can damage your camera. Okay guys, so this is what the mount adapter bundle for the Insta360 Go 2 has to offer. This accessory costs around $20, but I believe that this accessory is simply a must-have because it's gonna make your Insta Go 2 more versatile and expand the way you can use your camera. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And if you did, then as always guys, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash that notification button so you don't miss my future content, and see you in the next one. Bye!